Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna show you some new seeds which arrived and was a gift from a person named Gabriela, and seeds are from Israel, but she sent them from Romania, and they arrived to me, and these are exotic and tropical seeds like palm trees and stuff like that, but so many seeds in my imagination, just look how big this is, and it's not very easy, just have to open and see what she sent me, Gabriela, and so interesting. Well, we have to cut this letter and see, and I'm gonna speak in Romanian, but I will add subtitles in English, she is in Romanian speaker, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut from there very careful. Let's do that. Iată, astea nu știu ce sunt, să-mi scrieți în comentarii sau o să văd eu. Așa. Ceva semințe, interesant ce sunt oare. Mai departe... Așa. Au căzut din pungă, dar eu voi face așa. Acestea sunt de curmal, ceva genul. Da, cred eu. And here are some seeds, as you can see. I'm gonna put this on the table and I'm gonna shoot. And we'll see just. Well, this I'm gonna find the name, these seed pods, as you can see here. They're looking amazing and interesting. What is it? Well, maybe you know, write in the comments. This, I think, are date palm tree seeds. Very interesting to plant and see how it will grow. These are the palm tree seeds, but I think another variety I have to see. Careful. Well, now I'm gonna show you seeds like this, palm trees, but not sure what variety. Let me show you the seeds. Interesting seeds, as you can see here, and we'll find out. Or maybe you know the variety, write in the comments. There are Cassia fistula. Okay, the name, maybe I didn't pronounce it correctly, but anyway, let me show you the seeds. Also looking the seeds. Interesting. Now there is written a type of mimosa, and let me show you the seeds. They're looking interesting. And here some seeds, but I don't know what seeds are. But let me show you. Maybe you know, write in the comments. And here we go. Look at those. Amazing. So kind from Gabriela. Well, that's all the seeds which I received, as you can see. Amazing seeds. Well, thanks so much, Gabriela, for these amazing seeds. When I will have time, I will plant. And this time of year, I am a little bit busy, but I will have to get the time to plant these beauties, and hope will germinate. Will make videos when I will have time. Soon or later, I'm gonna post videos anyway. So thanks so much again, Gabriela, and thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos, and see you next time. You can subscribe to my photography channel if you want. Link is in the corner and in description. See you later. Bye bye.